digging through old Mac archives and discovered Suite font files. These are legacy font containers from the classic macOS era. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these macOS Font Suitcase files on modern systems. Consider this essential for your toolkit: a single program that can open hundreds of formats, including a partially broken SUIT. My top choices here, and we'll discuss more later. Users, typically on macOS, encounter .suit files when managing older font collections. They are looking for a way to install these fonts for use in their applications. The primary challenge is that this is a legacy format, often requiring Apple's font book or a third-party font manager to open and convert. A font suitcase is a binary container file designed to hold multiple font resources, such as bitmap or PostScript Type 1 fonts for the classic macOS. This container structure allowed the system to manage related font styles, bold, italic, as a single unit, simplifying font organization before modern formats like OpenType. The recommended application from Apple Inc. for handling SUIT is unequivocally Apple Font Book. The file is locked by a proprietary indexing system Windows cannot read. Windows handles font embedding automatically for applications that support it. To unlock the data, right-click the SUIT file and select Open With. Test Apple Font Book if available. If it's absent, choose another program. We must determine which app can properly read the header. When a SUIT file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. The primary software didn't cooperate. That's fine, we pivot. I need you to execute these 3 focused steps to pinpoint the exact SUIT error. First, installing on macOS. On macOS, double-click the Suite file to open it in FontBook. Click Install Font to add the contained fonts to your system, making them available across all applications. macOS retains backward compatibility with classic Mac font suitcases through FontBook, even on current versions of the operating system. Next, converting for Windows. Use a font conversion utility such as TransType from FontLab or CrossFont from Acute Systems to convert Suite files to Windows-compatible TTF or OTF format. These tools extract font resources from the suitcase container and produce standard font files installable through the Windows Fonts control panel. Finally, preserving resource forks. When transferring Suite files between systems, use archive formats that preserve Mac resource forks, such as stuffit.sit archives, or properly created zip files from a Mac. Direct copy through Windows or non-Mac file systems may strip the resource fork, rendering the font suitcase unusable. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.